I got to assume you're in Vegas because it's got to be that time of the year soon.
It's time to rock and roll!
Are we going to see a Real Estate Domination 2021? I've had great times with both of them. The one in Irvine was by far my favorite because the COVID one, I had to like dance in front of the camera and I didn't think that I was that good at dancing, but I did dance. The guy brings a who's who of producers there. If you look to the right of Jerome's head, you see my fat head there. Let me tell you why I like Jerome's. I've done a lot of real estate stuff in my career. And the thing I like about his programs are as I got to meet people that were actually learning and making money from Jerome. Like they were right next to me and they would tell me a story of how they made money and did a deal. And so you leave there compelled that it's really taking place, that it's not like a fantasy, like,
is this just fantasy?
You know, I'm Carlton Sheets and you can buy my program and you get real estate tomorrow and it's no money down, it's all free.
I wish you the best of luck and happy investing.